Saved too many TikTok videos and find it difficult to search for them later? TikTok's collection features can help you with that. You can sort videos into categories so you have nice little organized video folders to go through when needed. There are two ways to add videos to a TikTok collection: adding videos to favorites and from your profile. The first way is by adding a video to your favorites. Click on the bookmark icon on a video you want to save. When you've added to your favorites, a notification appears. Tap on Manage. If you have an existing folder, you can add it to that. Or click on Create a new collection. Name it. You can choose to make your collections public or keep them private. The second way to add a video to your collections is by going to your profile. Click on your Favorites tab and tap Collections. Here, click the Create New Collection button and name your collection. Choose whether you want to make the collection public or not, and hit Next. Now add any videos you want to this collection and they will show up in your collection category. In case you want to delete a collection, simply go to the Collections tab on your profile and click on the collection you want to delete. Then click the button in the top right corner and delete the collection. Hope you have a great time creating TikTok collections for yourself. Did you know that you can schedule TikTok videos now? Want to know how? Head over to the next video to find out. Until then, happy TikToking!